RockTech Machinery Company Limited has been committed to the R&D, production and sales of CNC technology and machines for years. We can provide high-quality, multifunctional CNC routers for customers at home and abroad. The trademark RockTech is created in the year 2008 and registered in the year 2010. After several years of rapid development, we have diversified products that can provide optimal CNC solutions for our customers. First-class R&D team is our core competitiveness. As the core of our development, RockTech attaches great importance to the investment in scientific research. We have a strong R&D team with well-known experts to improve our technology. Driven by technology innovation of this team, we make constant progress in production technology, better quality, which leads to excellent performance in sales. In order to achieve sustainable development, we have formed an interconnected production, study research system with local famous universities, which guarantee the talent's resource development and offer more employment opportunity to the society. Now RockTech can offer all customers with diversified products like 5-axis machining centers, 4-axis and 3-axis machining centers, CNC woodworking center and aluminum processing centers, general 3-axis auto tool changing and manual tool changing CNC machines, EPS processing center and CNC plasma and laser cutting machines. Our CNC machines have the following advantages: good structural rigidity, high efficiency, high cutting speed, high accuracy with low kerf loss, and high quality trimming. And they are also environment friendly with low noise, less power consumption, high stability, easy maintenance, and low maintenance costs. All our products have independent intellectual property rights. We have received 10 patent certificates and passed the CE and ISO 9001 certificates and UL and FDA product certifications. We have a comprehensive sales network all over China. You can also find our machines successfully sold to Russia, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South and North America. Our machines are widely used in mold manufacturing, furniture making, and acrylic mini letter cutting in all kinds of industries and enterprises. RockTech has strong R&D strength and professional technical team, and efficient service network with the number of branch offices in China. We can provide you complete application solutions and comprehensive after-sales services and project support based on the different needs of different customers. Choose RockTech, you choose comfort and safety. Choose RockTech, you choose trust and support. Choose RockTech, you will never worry. Our business philosophy is market-oriented, which adheres to the following. We live by our quality, we grow by our science and technology, and we excel by our good reputation. Our service philosophy is to be professional and dedicated, wholeheartedly. We build our dedicated, pragmatic, and united and efficient team not only internal training, but also introducing outstanding talents from outside. In the face of fierce market competition, we still have great confidence because we have a well-known brand, an excellent management team, a group of hardworking and optimistic staff, and great corporate culture. In the future, we will focus our business goals and focus on every detail, strive to be better, and continue to be innovative so that we can have a sustainable development with first-class products and brand. And our business goal is manufacturing perfect machines, thus to create an eternal brand. The way ahead is long and has no ending, yet high and low, please surge with RockTech with unbending will. RockTech will return to you with win-win cooperation by higher quality products and a more favorable price.